Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags. I hope your weekend is going as fabulous as mine is. Y'all, today I have an unboxing of one of the Coach's latest drops from last week, and this is going to be the Compass 35 in that beautiful olive color with the silver hardware. Before I show you the bag though, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, y'all consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, please hop on over. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel, and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, y'all check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there and shopping links as well. And with all that out of the way, if everybody could just take one moment to give this video a thumbs up for a like on this video, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. And like I said, thank you again for tuning into my video. Your support means the world to me. So before we unbox the Compass 35, I do want to show y'all my Coach 40. I have styled it out to the max, y'all, and I didn't know if everybody had seen it on my last video, but I just wanted to share it with y'all again because I love it so much. But here she is in all her glory. I have all of the charms and everything on it, and of course I did my necktie on it with the wrap on the handles that I love with that beautiful skull tie. And then of course I've got all of my bag charms and stuff on it, so just lovely little details on this beautiful Coach Empire 40. I have a scarf there. That's a little Theory Mugler star that I found in my jewelry box. I just put on there with the tie clip, and the other little kerchief from the tie set. But very cute. It's got the little poppy on it, and I just love this bag. It's heavy right now because I've got it packed, but it is my favorite bag so far right now. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this Compass. Like I said, it came on Friday, so it came in this brown box here. Let's get into it and see what Coach has sent us and see how they did on this packaging. I will say at least the box is intact. There was no damage on the box for the packaging. So that's a plus these days when it comes to packaging. The box wasn't damaged. Let's open the box up here and see what we have here from Coach. All right, and of course there's your Coach logoing and everything. And then you have your little sticker on the bag here. Let's open that up. All right, and then we have a nice gift box. I actually asked for a gift box this time, so nice little touch. I just thought it would be nice to treat myself and actually have a box one time. So let's get it out here and see what they've sent. All right, y'all, and so there she is in this beautiful Coach box. I love the ribbon on it too. Just a beautiful box, and I'll have something to keep as well. They did send a thank you card as well from Coach. Thank you for your shopping at Coach. So that is also another little touch that they did for the packaging. So this is really nice if you wanted to send it for a gift to somebody. Thank you, Coach. All right, so let's get into this. I'm gonna slide the ribbon off and let's do the reveal here and see this beautiful olive colored bag. Let's open up the box together. All right, and it's wrapped here in tissue paper here with a little sticker here. Let me carefully get that loose. Of course, it's gonna tear a little bit, but let's get the bag out together. And it did come in a dust bag, of course. So there it is. Let's get it out. Set this box to the side here. And you have your silky white Coach dust bag. Let's open it up here together. All right, y'all, here we go. This is the big reveal of the Compass 35 in that olive color. And you know how we feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag, y'all. Look at this. I love the green already, y'all. Oh my gosh, and I really have been wanting a bag like this, the Boston style bag from Coach. I don't have any Rowans or anything except for a small one, and this is gonna be a really good size. So, all right, so I've kind of gone over it a little bit here, and I love it so far. I do love the silver. A lot of this olive stuff that they had came in with the gold color on the hardware. I'm just not a real big fan of the gold and the green together. I think the silver goes with it better, but that is just my opinion. So you tell me what you think about the color hardware. Do you like the gold or the silver? But I do like the silver, and I'm prone to liking silver mostly on my bags, but let me know what you think in the comments as well. So let's do a little 360 spin of the bag here. And like I said, this is the 35 size. And we'll go to the side here. And then the back side of it here still has the tag and everything on it, of course. There's your side there, and then there is the bottom with the little feet. And I just love, it's got the little same style handles that the Empire has on it, so I really like that too, and they'll be easy to wrap. It does have a hang tag there as well in that green color. So that is the 360 of the bag. I think that beautiful olive green is a stunning color. What do you think? So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go inside the bag and get the stuffing and everything out of it, and we'll go over some close-up details of this bag. All right, y'all, let's open it up here and get all this stuff out of the inside here. Nice zipper on it. The inside is stuffed as well, and it has your strap on the inside there. Of course, I'll show you that in a moment, and then just probably some stuffing down there. Let me get all that out, and then I'm gonna show you the bag on the inside. All right, y'all, so I got all the stuffing out of the bag, and as you can see, it's a little bit squishier now, since it doesn't have that support on the inside. So I'm not really sure if I'll put a bag organizer in this one or not. I usually carry a bag organizer, but I kind of like the squish on some of the bags, so we'll see. Once I put some stuff in it, it might be a little different too. There is the zipper pull on the top there. Really nice. I love the silver on it. And let's open it up and I'll show you the inside, then I'll show you some details on the outside too. Like I said, the zipper is very smooth, and I love the interior here. It's like a canvas material on the inside. There is your journey tag. And then you have this pocket on the top here with a little leather pull as well. Let me show you the leather pull. There is the leather pull on it, and it has these little leather tabs on each end of the zipper pull here too, as you can see there. So there's the tabs on both sides. It does have a little tag down on the bottom too that says made in the Philippines. And then there is two little slip pockets here that have the leather on the edges of it that are trimmed. So nice little storage, and I love the inside color of it too as well. If you can see that on camera, it's really pretty. But I will say the bag does feel like it's constructed really well, and it feels really good. So good job, Coach. So let's close it up, and I'm gonna show you some details on the outside here. Like I said, you do have your double zipper pull there with these leather tabs there. They're really nice, and of course the stitching and all is beautiful on it. There it is. And then you have these silver D-rings here. Like I said, it feels really, really nice and very soft and expensive. So there's the Empire style handles. Just a beautiful bag overall. You do have the feet on the bottom here. The feet don't have any kind of Coach logoing on them. They're just a smooth silver color. And then of course on the front side here, y'all, you have your Coach logo in that silver color. And then there is your hang tag there with Coach on it as well. So yeah, this is a really nice size bag for me. I used to love the 25s, and now I've come to like 30s and 40s. So this 35 is right in the middle, and I think it's gonna be really nice to be able to carry. So this is the first contender right here as far as being able to have a carry-on. So it's probably gonna go on board with me when we take our flight to New York City this week. So yay, Coach, I love the green. I do have a couple other little pieces coming from the outlet that I bought, but of course they're later than this one. I ordered them the same day. They're not coming until next Friday. So I'm not really sure how that works with the shipping, but you know how Coach is if you order from them. But this is the beautiful Compass 35 in this beautiful olive color. I love it. Let me show you the strap real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll do some mod shots with the bag on so you can see the size of it and how it fits on my body. All right, y'all, so here is the strap here. It is a really nice strap, actually. You have your dog style leash in the silver to attach it. And then you have this beautiful green, and this is a really, really silky, nice material that the strap part is made of, and you have leather from here to there. Then you have your adjustable buckle. It does have the Coach logoing on the middle there on that piece. And this silky, soft material here feels really good in your hand. So I like that. I like comfort on my straps of a bag, so that's really nice. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty good length here. We'll see in a minute, and I'll try it on for you, but that is the strap. And of course it has your logoing and all on the little pieces there and on the very bottoms of it there too, if you can see that on camera. So just a really nice strap, but let's attach it and see how it looks on. All right, y'all, so let's see how this bag looks on. Let's attach the strap here on the side. You do have those D-rings, like I said, and they just attach just like that on the side, on both sides. Let's see what this bag looks like on here. So I do have the strap all the way out as far as the extension. So that is the length of it here. That is as far as it goes. It's pretty long. Let's see how it looks on crossbody. Okay, yes, so this is perfect length for me. All right, and I love this length. So good job, Coach, on the strap drop. Now, if you're shorter, of course, you can adjust it. Like I said, this is the longer length for me, but really, really good length there. And of course, if you want to do it just over your shoulder, it's going to be even longer and go down to about right there. But I think it's a really good strap. And I think that's a good drop. So good job on the strap, Coach. So I'm really happy with it. And I love the slouch on the little bag and that beautiful olive color. Just a beautiful bag. All right, y'all, so there it is again on, and I just think it's a really nice bag. It feels comfortable on my side here. So yeah, this is a definite contender for my trip. We'll see how it goes though, but I do love it so far. Okay. So yeah, so it fits really good and it feels really comfortable, and that's a main component when it comes to carrying a bag for me. So I really love it, and I love this beautiful olive color. Y'all tell me what you think about it in the comments. Of course, I'm going to style the bag and put some charms, and I may even do a necktie on it. I have a perfect necktie that has some dinosaurs in a beautiful green color and some accent colors, and I think it'll go perfect with this little bag. So all right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful new Coach Compass 35 centimeter bag in this stunning olive color. I think it's beautiful. You tell me what you think in the comments. And y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, before you leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. Don't forget to check out my beacon links as well. And y'all, if you can stop and give this video a like if you liked it, I really appreciate that too. And I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.